Are you being an everyday wage person who needs to accomplish independence from the rat race? Or can I say, are you the person who doesn't stand to put 9 to 5 time in office work? Or are you somebody whose work got turned over because of a pandemic or due to any other unwanted circumstance? If yes, then this video will be the ideal spot for you. Just watch till the end. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we had a small chit-chat on active and passive income. If you haven't watched it yet, just go and watch that. So here we are solely going to have an extended discussion over passive income. Passive income can be an incredible method to assist you with generation of extra cash flow and assist you with overcoming any barrier, even if you abruptly become jobless or regardless of whether you intentionally take time from work. In any case, a passive income gives you additional security. Also, in case you're stressed over having the option to save enough of your profit to meet your retirement objectives, building wealth through passive income is a methodology that may interest you as well. It does enhance your social interaction with people all over the world. These were some layered advantages that passive income offers. If you will hop into this sea, it has bounty put away in it to bring to the table for you. Many people think that passive income is about getting something for nothing, says financial coach and retired hedge fund manager Taj Tressiter. It has a get-rich-quick appeal, but in the end it still involves work. You just give the work up front. In any case, all you want to acquire accompanies exertion. So yeah, for you to be in master with passive income earning, you need to invest a little amount of energy, yet all will be at your solace. In practice, you may do some or all the work up front, but passive income often involves some additional labor along the way too. You may have to keep your product updated or your rental property well maintained to keep the passive dollars flowing. Also, passive income earning does come with cons, like you probably won't procure enough in starting. It took a lot of effort to make an item that will attract buyers and guarantee income. You don't generally have control over the quality. You should invest the time and energy in now for future advantages. But all it requires is consistency and patience. And if you're focused on the technique, it tends to be an incredible method to produce income, and you'll make some extra monetary security for yourself. Here, I'm sharing few ideas for passive earning. You can sell information items. Renting your properties is one of the best ways. Affiliate promoting, lending to your friends. You can create your own application. Investing in a high-return CD or investment account can be another best option. Advertising your own vehicle, creating a blog or YouTube channel. This is followed by many, including me, rent out helpful family things. So these were a portion of the strings out of the bundle of the clothes. Rest you can discover more. The last thing I want to share with you guys. Generally, many minds do have questions that is it necessary to have high capital investment for taking this path. So just remember, making passive income comparable to income earned from active efforts requires a good amount of work up front. The capital investment does not matter as much as your efforts do. While you might be able to build a passive income stream with a small investment, you're not making any less of a commitment than someone investing their time. So this was all from my side. If you do have any questions related to passive income earning, do let me know and I'll be happy to help you. Much thanks to you folks for keeping an eye out, and remember to subscribe to the channel. And furthermore, press the bell icon so you'll get informed each time we post.